Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use blueprints in Ghost Recon Breakpoint. Blueprints are essential for crafting your favorite weapons and gear. They provide a reliable way to obtain specific items you need for your loadout. Once you discover a blueprint, it's yours forever, allowing you to craft that item whenever you have the necessary resources. This system ensures you're always prepared for any mission. Finding blueprints is a key part of expanding your arsenal. Many blueprints are hidden within enemy strongholds, requiring you to clear out hostile forces. You'll also discover them by completing various faction missions across Oroa. Always be sure to thoroughly search every area, including opening all chests and looting every defeated enemy, as blueprints can appear in unexpected places. Once you have a blueprint, head to any bivouac or Iruhan to begin crafting. Open the crafting menu, navigate to the blueprint section, and select the item you wish to create. Remember, crafting isn't free. It requires various resources such as metal parts, standard components, and other materials you collect during your adventures. Ensure you have enough before attempting to craft. Utilizing blueprints offers significant advantages. You can consistently craft your favorite weapons and gear, ensuring you're never without your preferred loadout. Furthermore, crafted items can be upgraded to enhance their damage, accuracy, and other statistics, making them even more effective. A smart strategy is to prioritize collecting blueprints for the weapon types you use most frequently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.